Today we're in Barsha Heights, also known as Tecom, a mixed-use and vibrant community with fantastic transport links on your doorstep. It's the place to be. We're delighted to bring to the market this unique opportunity to acquire a dual office consisting of 3,326 square foot. It has 3 CO's cabins, 4 manager rooms and a large conference room, with multiple and abundant open workspace to accommodate a growing workforce. I'm Mark from Bayti Real Estate. If you'd like to get more information or book a viewing, please contact me on the details provided.